So I'm with my favorite friend and we're doing some coloring today. So this is what I'm starting off with. And it is, well, you know, the root thing going on. And we're gonna go a little redder. So stay tuned and see what we come up with. So we're mixing up our mix.
All the colors.
All of the colors of the rainbow.
For all of the hair. Color.
Okay, say that again.
We're gonna do it all. Sorry. All over color. To refresh, redo. We'll just give you a makeover.
Yay me!
We like makeovers.
Yes, we do.
They're fun.
And it's a strawberry pink. That's kind of cool.
Isn't it? It's gonna get so dark.
Really?
Yeah.
As it oxidizes. Isn't that funny?
As it oxidizes, it'll get dark on you.
Okay.
To make sure we cover those little silver pieces.
Yes.
Silver pieces are only good for the bank. They're not good for hair.
Yep.
Ready?
So we're still adding color and we're cooking. It's not a pinky anymore. It's red. It looks good.
See how it's getting violet-y?
Yes, very pretty.
Very
pretty. Woo, look at that red. Yeah.
I'm Mr. Heat Miser.
Yeah.
Mr.
Yeah, it is.
Gotta make sure we get it all the way to those ends. Those ends are so thirsty.
Really?
Yeah. I'll be okay without a little trim.
Yeah.
This time. But I always get worried because it'll fade the fastest too.
Oh.
They don't hold on to color when they get too tired.
Okay.
And remember, we have a lot of history in this.
I know we do. So we're going to leave this on for 45 minutes?
45 minutes.
Okay. Okay, now you go.
Now we're emulsifying it. So we add a little bit of water and we just kind of lather it through and make sure that her hair soaks up all of the color we can.
It smells so good.
Really?
Yeah, it does. It's not a stinky smell, you know? It's
Right.
Now Brett's gonna have a bloodbath in our shower again. He's gonna wonder what happened.
Crime scene.
Down the drain. Do you see how that red pops in my eyes already?
Told you I like
Isn't that
red.
funny? Oh my gosh. Now it's hot.
Okay, I can't tell, but I can tell, you know?
But it wasn't before.
No, and I haven't touched it. And my boob didn't accidentally, like... Is that okay?
Yep.
Okay. I love reds on you. The deeper, darker reds.
So we're shampooing. And what shampoo did you use?
The Color Extend Magnetics. It's
The
my
pink
favorite
one.
for fresh colors, yes. Do you have it at home?
Yes.
Okay. It's my favorite for fresh color.
So how red do we look?
Let me rinse. Let me
What?
rinse it and I'll show you. Because it's really, I think it's a really pretty color. It's so hard to tell because it's, you know, black
wet.
zinc, wet. But I see a nice, like, maroon.
Yeah.
Yeah. Darker than I think we've ever gone when we were red before.
Yeah.
Because you were in a lighter base for a while.
Right.
But this is really... Can you see?
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
And that's wet.
Oh,
Yeah.
I'm in love.
Yes, yes, yes. I love what it's going to do with your honey. You see the color coming?
Yes.
Oh! That's some pretty color. Purple in there.
Yes.
Between the brown, the red, and the violet, it's got like a purpley hue that I really like.
Yes. So we finished blow drying. She flat ironed me, and I forgot to video. So look at the shine.
Look at the color.
Woo-hoo.
I love the color.
I do too.
Love it. Love it.
It
Yay.
looks good.
Oh, boobs.
It's always a treat to come and see you.
Here, hold the mirror. Maybe you can videotape the back of your head.
Okay.
Can you see it at all? Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Look at all the hair.
Look at that curl, that wave that you got in there.
Your hair. It's so easy to do that too.
Yes. Yes, yes, yes.
Because look at your eyes
Mm-hmm.
and
Yeah.
your skin tone.
Mm-hmm. And I've got nothing on today.
Yeah, yeah. You're a redhead, sorry.
And there it is.
Beautiful.
All right, so that's the final, and that's a wrap. Mwah.